Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing social science and iOS assignments. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF and handwritten assignments. If you need of these answers in handwritten or anything, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on our screen, which is 900 936 8238. You can contact anytime by WhatsApp and just say hi. Now, the question number one is saying that examine how the cultural diversity of India has contributed to its rich civilization using examples from different regions. Second is write about the life and duties of serfs under the feudal system. So these are the two questions under the one question that you have seen on your screen. If you need an answer of all the questions of this assignment, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp numbers by any time. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.